Hi, welcome to Zest Training Academy. This is a 10-part series where I will be talking to you a little bit about the basics of what you need to maintain your website. So this very first video will be all about how to create an account with Squarespace and how to accept an invitation if you have designed your website with a designer like us. So stay tuned for more. So the first thing you have to do is to head to Squarespace. So you can type in Google Squarespace, head to their website, official website, and that should be their landing page. And then you can explore a little bit what they have to offer, but I suggest you click and get started. By clicking and get started, you will be prompted with a list of items or industries or topics that most align with your business idea or with your project. In this case, I am going to choose marketing and click next. You don't need to go through this process, but I recommend that you select a couple of items you believe your website will need. So I would like to build a community. I'd like to sell services, offer contact form, and showcase work and expertise. And then you can click and finish, and here you will be prompted to create your Squarespace account. So if you want to use Google to log in, you will naturally click with continue with Google, but if you prefer to enter your own email and password, you can click with continue email password. The same with Apple if that is your preferred login method. I am going to click and continue with Google. When I do that, it will ask me to select my account. And now I am logging in, setting things up. It's creating my account for me. And here I am being prompted to call my website something. I am going to call Yellow Zest. Yellow Zest. And I want it to be bold. It's nice. And then the home page is generating something for me. I am just going to select intro session, services section, and this is based on what you entered before. So this is building your website template here for you. And you can add more pages if you like. You can choose a particular color scheme that appeals to you. I'm going to choose this one here. And then you can choose a number of font combinations as well. So I am going to choose that. And now it's generating the website for me. So this is how you create an account. Now, this process is for you starting from the very, very beginning. There is also a process where you are invited by your designer, in this case me, to be part of a contributor to the website, and I will show you that in a second. But I just want to show you here that Squarespace has generated like a simple landing page that is easy to edit, add and remove items, and we will be talking about more about this in the following videos. But whenever you get out of here, so for example, I am going to just come back to the main menu. This is what you're going to be greeted every time you log into Squarespace. This is your landing page. This is your dashboard. So to have access to your website back again, you click website and it brings you back to here. So now I'll show you how to accept an invitation to become a contributor. Now, if you have been working with a designer like us, you will be probably being invited to become a contributor. So we will have done the work for you. And now is the time for you to become a contributor to the website. So you will be receiving an email with like contributor invitation. You click on the email and then you accept the invitation. Now, what that will do for you is, in this case, I already have an email account associated with the Squarespace, so continue with this email. But if I didn't and I had to create an account, you would follow the process I showed before, which is either use your own email or your Google account. Continue with this email. And then I am welcomed by the website. So that is the process of accepting the invitation to becoming a contributor. And now you have a Squarespace account. Following video will be all about how to edit, add, and remove images. So keep an eye because you will definitely want to be making this more like your face, more like your style. And to do that, we go into customization. So I'll see you soon.